Katie with Kansas Hydrographics. We're here to hopefully show you the dark blue water drops. It is a full meter. And it really doesn't have any transparencies. It's just blue. Kind of some dark blue outlines around the drops. This is part of our Monster Summer release. We are tired. I just poked 2 holes through that film trying to get air bubbles out because I'm exhausted. We're using Hydrogator Activator, 1 minute soak time. And I really hope this works out. It's kind of activator thirsty, so be aware. And we do have a lot of crud in our tank right now. We really need to clean it and change the filter again. So there's some gunk in there. That's not the film. But that dipped nicely. If I can dip it when I'm this tired and fed up with dipping, you can dip it, I promise. Yep, some definite air bubbles in there too. But you get the idea. That will be in, I believe it's the abstract section. And of course, that's at KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you guys. We'll see you next time.